Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy the SYLVOX outdoor TV with mount, 75-inch, 2000 nit high brightness smart outdoor TV, 4K sunlight readable display, IP55 waterproof build for outdoor households or commercial places, then please visit the link provided in the description. Today we're checking out a display built specifically for outdoor use. The 75-inch SYLVOX outdoor TV is engineered to survive environments where standard indoor TVs fail. It's designed to stay bright under direct sunlight, endure weather conditions, and deliver high-quality visuals in open spaces. Setting it up outdoors completely changes the way you experience entertainment. The first thing you notice is the brightness. With 2000 nits, this screen completely overcomes the glare issues that plague most TVs outside. Even under direct sunlight, the colors remain vivid, contrast stays strong, and details remain crisp. Watching sports games, movies, or streaming content in a backyard, patio, or commercial area feels just as immersive as indoors. This high brightness also means the TV is readable from farther distances, which is perfect for larger gatherings or open outdoor spaces. Durability is another major factor. The IP55 weatherproof rating ensures protection against rain, dust, and humidity. You don't have to worry about leaving it outdoors, and the ports and connections are well sealed to prevent damage from the elements. This isn't just an indoor TV exposed to sunlight. It's specifically built to handle real-world outdoor conditions year-round. The mount is solid, heavy-duty, and adjustable. Outdoor TVs require stability, and this system delivers. It holds the screen securely in place even during windy conditions and allows flexible positioning to get the perfect viewing angle for any setup. Whether mounted on a patio wall, in a poolside lounge, or at a cafe, it stays steady and reliable. Picture quality is impressive. The 4K UHD resolution brings sharp details, vivid colors, and excellent contrast. Even in bright daylight, the images are crisp, text is readable, and the content looks premium. Wide viewing angles ensure everyone in a group sees the same high-quality image, which is crucial for parties or commercial uses where multiple people are watching at once. The smart TV features make outdoor streaming simple. Popular apps are ready to use without needing extra streaming devices that could be vulnerable to weather. The interface is smooth and responsive, making it easy to browse content, adjust settings, or switch between apps while enjoying outdoor activities. Audio performance is solid for built-in speakers. The TV produces clear and loud sound suitable for casual outdoor viewing. If you want a more immersive sound experience, adding outdoor-rated speakers or a weatherproof soundbar is an option, but for many users, the built-in audio is sufficient. This TV transforms any outdoor space into a fully functional entertainment zone. It's perfect for movie nights, sports viewing, backyard parties, or commercial environments where customers can enjoy video content outside. It consistently delivers bright, clear visuals and smooth operation, making outdoor entertainment easier and more enjoyable than ever before. The combination of a high-brightness panel, waterproof construction, 4K picture quality, built-in smart features, and a sturdy mount makes the SYLVOX 75-inch outdoor TV an excellent choice. It brings reliable, indoor-quality performance to outdoor spaces, providing both homeowners and businesses with a premium entertainment solution. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy the SYLVOX outdoor TV with mount, 75-inch, 2000 nit high brightness smart outdoor TV, then please visit the link provided in the description.